had very mixed feelings about these unboxing type videos until my SwitchPod arrived from the United States of America. This is an exciting product. Very nicely presented. Made by creators for creators. But what does it do? Hold on, and we'll show you. So there it is, unfolded like a tripod. But watch this. And I'm trying to get my brain working here. Slap it around both ways like that, and you have your vlogging holder. What's the posh word for a vlogging holder? It's a vlogging holder. There you go. SwitchPod. I'm so excited to give the camera a go. Let's do it. So here we go then. SwitchPod with my iPhone mounted on the SwitchPod. Is it the perfect vlogging companion? I think so. I hope so. I know so. SwitchPod. If you haven't got one, you must be odd.